Hey everyone, so this is a basic tutorial on how to dilate triangles. So if you haven't watched my videos on, or for that matter, know how to dilate points, I'd recommend watching that. I'll link a video I made on it in the description. So basically, how to dilate triangles. So just use previously learned dilation skills and dilate each point of the triangle and then connect them, and then in doing so you'll dilate the entire triangle. Okay, so draw the image of ABC under a dilation whose center is P and scale factor is 1/2. So basically, we need to 1/2 this. And we'll use P as essentially the origin. So let's take the coordinates as if P was the origin, which in this situation it is. Okay, so C is 0 because it's on the intercept. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 0, -10 is the coordinates of C. A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So A is 8, 8. And now B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or wait, I'm just gonna recount because I had a little. I moved my mouse weirdly there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. And then from there it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so it's 12, -12. Okay, so now since the scale factor is 1/2, we need to multiply everything in this by 1/2. In other words, divide everything by 2. Actually, I'm going to do this in a different color. Okay. So C prime, A prime, and B prime. So C was 0, -10. 0 will stay the same since 0 times 1/2 is still 0. -10 times 1/2, however, is -5. So C prime is 0, -5. And now A prime, we'll just half both of these. Oh, and this should be, I forgot the negative there. So A prime will be 8, not 8, 4, -4. And B, we divide both of these by 2 because that's the same thing. It's multiplying by 1/2, and we get 6, -6. So now we're going to plot all these. So the new C will be at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the new A, here, I need to move this down first. The new A will be at 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And also, you can notice that this is right because 4.1, this line is exactly half of 8.2. Now this last line, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. So then you can check everything. 6.1 is half of 12.2. Obviously, there's nothing exactly half of 5.7, but this is the closest you can get. So yeah, that's your answer. All right. So this one, I encourage you to start trying to do this on your own. So pause the video now if you think you're kind of getting it and want to try it on your own. All right, so hopefully you got it. We're gonna do it now. So A prime, B prime, C prime is the image of ABC under a dilation whose center is P and scale factor is 1/3. Okay, so basically, this thing, we want it to, so whatever triangle is going to happen, it's going to still be centered around P, because and all the lines will be able to go. So here, I'm going to draw this. So it should look so that like you can make lines between the A and A prime, the B and the B prime, and the C and the C prime, and all those lines can continue and go through. I'm just going to draw a triangle like that. Actually, it should be like this. So, and make sure all those lines can continue and go all the way to the center. And that's actually a great way, like I've mentioned this before, but it's a great way to check if you've dilated correctly. It still should be in a line. And it should have the same basic proportions, even though the sizes change. So which figure correctly shows A prime, B prime, C prime using the solid line? So this one, A and C all go on this line, and they don't pass through the center, which means it's wrong. And these ones don't pass through. That one doesn't pass through. That one doesn't pass through. And this one looks... so these two are top candidates, but this one is simply way too big to have been multiplied by a square factor of 1/3. So the answer is B. All right, last one here. Hopefully you're starting to get it. I encourage you, if you feel like you're starting to get it, pause the video now and try it for yourself. All right, continuing on. So, draw the image of ABC under a dilation whose center is P and scale factor is 3. Okay, so A is at -4, 0. B is at 0, -3. C is at -1, 2, 3, 4, and then -3. All right, so now we're gonna multiply everything here. We're gonna multiply everything here by the scale factor, which is 3. Okay, so A will now become, and I encourage you also to pause it now and see if you can do the rest of the problem with this little head start here. Alrighty, continuing. So A prime, B prime, and C prime. So A prime will be -12, and then 0 times anything is still 0. B prime, this will remain 0, but this will become -9. And for C, this will become -12. This will become -9. All right, so let's plot everything out. So I'm going to arrange this in the same basic shape so it's easier to plot out. Okay, so A will just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. B will go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. C will go, or so it can just start here, and then it'll go, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And as you can see, 9 is 3 times 3. 15 is 5 times 3. 4 times 3 is 12. So all of the line measurements match up. So this is the answer. All right. So yeah. That's just how to dilate triangles, and also you can use the same property for any shapes. Just dilate all the points individually and then redraw the shape. So yeah, hope this helped, and good luck on your homework. Bye.